Khan, and today I am going to deal with a very important recent case law of Supreme Court, and the topic is related to the Indian Contract Act. Remember students, whenever we are dealing with the contract, we know that even the agent can enter into the contract on behalf of the principal. Now the question is, just imagine an agent has entered into the contract on behalf of the principal, and during that contract the principal has died. Whether this contract which is entered by the agent to the third person is still to be enforceable or it can be terminated. So there was a legal issue in the Supreme Court recently. So whether an agent who is doing the act in capacity of agent, means to say power of attorney, which is conferred to him through the principal, and what will happen if the principal dies during that existence of contract. So now I am going to let you know the very important recent judgment, and the name of this judgment is, that is P. Shesha Reddy, representative by his LR cum irrevocable GPA holder and assignee Kotam Reddy, Kodaramani versus State of Karnataka 2024. यहाँ पर लीगल इशू क्या था? लीगल इशू था that when the power of attorney, being an agent, holds an interest in the contract, whether this kind of contract there will be an automatic termination of agency upon the death of the principal. So the Supreme Court is to decide this issue taking two important sections of Indian Contract. Remember student, there are two important sections of Indian Contract Act, that is one section 201 and section 202. Section 201 deals with the circumstances when the contract entered by the agent can be terminated under some certain circumstances. Now the question was, there was already involved a particular circumstance in case if the principal dies, then this kind of contract agency can be terminated. So this was the general provision under section 201. But the question was whether 202 says something more, or we can take just simply 201. So now coming to 201 and 202, we will go further. But what Supreme Court has held? Supreme Court has said that the death of the original contractor, who is the original contractor? Original contract, suppose that there is a contract A, B and C. There are three parties. B is the person who is having the power of attorney, he is an agent, and this person entered a contract with the C on behalf of A, and suppose if A dies, the question is whether this contract can automatically be terminated in the death of this person. We are having one particular important section of Indian contract, that is section number 201, which gives one of the circumstances to terminate this agency in case the principal dies, when the terms is mentioning about these words. Now let us see what these sections are talking about. So first of all, section 201 of the Indian contract prescribes conditions where the contract of agency would get stand terminated, where one of the condition is that death of the principal contractor. So suppose what I am trying to say, in this situation, if the contract has been entered between B and C, while B has entered a contract on behalf of A, there is one particular term in this contract that in case if this principal dies, then this contract will be terminated. If this kind of situation is already mentioned under this particular contract, then it is supposed that we will deal with section number 201. It means that this kind of agency will be terminated. We cannot say anything more than this. But whether the question is whether this section 201 should be read isolated, it should not be taken into consideration with section number 202. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस जजमेंट में क्लियरली मेंशन किया, whenever any in terms of power of attorney, any agent has entered into the contract, so we cannot take only one section separately, that is section 201. We should remember there is one more section 202. We should try to understand what it says. So now just see what it says, that it deals with a situation where an agent has an interest in the subject matter. So if in that situation, if this person B is having interest in this subject matter, which is the particular property. So suppose if there is one particular property on which B and C were dealing with, and B is having interest in that particular subject, then we can apply section number 202, which says, it states that where the agent has interest in the property that forms the subject matter of agency, the agency cannot be, in the absence of an express contract, be terminated to the prejudice of such interest. So remember student, in case if the contract has been entered into between B and C, and the B is having some particular interest in the subject matter of this contract, and there is no express provision that this contract will be terminated on the death of principal, then subject matter already is having interest, so it cannot be said that this kind of contract can be automatically terminated. So remember student, in taking all these two sections together, Supreme Court has finally settled down this issue. And what Supreme Court said? Supreme Court has clearly observed that in case of this kind of situation, if the express term is not mentioned, then the contract will not be said to be automatically terminated. So the legal issue is decided that in case the power of attorney being an agent holds an interest in the contract, then there will not be automatic termination. So remember, automatic termination is not possible. This is held in this judgment. So now in brief we can say this is actually a very appreciable judgment of the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has made a very clarity on that particular legal issue. That is a case name is P. Shesha Reddy, representative by his LRs. Was the state of, that is state of Karnataka, जहाँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस इश्यू को सेटल डाउन कर दिया कि अगर किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में एक्सप्रेसली मेंशन नहीं है कि ये एक रीज़न हो सकता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को टर्मिनेट करने का अगर प्रिंसिपल की डेथ होती है, तो उस सिचुएशन में हम सिर्फ सेक्शन 201 को रीड नहीं करेंगे, सिमिलरली वी विल रीड 202 आल्सो. And taking these two sections together, first of all, court will try to understand whether this kind of condition is expressly mentioned. The answer is no. If there is no express mention, second question the court is going for, whether this particular agent having power of attorney is having interest in the subject matter. So if he is having interest in the subject matter, then the person C or A, C cannot say that it is going to be automatically terminated. This judgment is to be taken for the benefit of the person who entered into the contract on behalf of the principal. So this was all. I hope that will be beneficial for you when you are writing answers for the contract of agency under Indian contract, taking this recent judgment of 2024 in your answer writing. Thanks for watching this video.